In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize Google Docs to normal size if your document suddenly looks too big, too small, or simply off. There are two reliable ways to bring it back to what feels normal. One controls how the document looks on your screen, and the other controls the actual page size for printing and exporting. Let's walk through both so you can quickly fix any sizing issues. First, check the zoom level. This affects only what you see, not the real size of the document. In Google Docs, look toward the toolbar at the top of the page for the zoom control. It typically shows a percentage like 90% or 125%. Click that menu and set it to 100%. This is the standard viewing size and usually makes the page look right again. If you've been working at a higher or lower percentage, text and images can feel either cramped or oversized, even though the underlying document hasn't changed. Returning the zoom to 100% gives you an accurate sense of how your content truly looks. If the document still doesn't seem normal or if printing looks off, you'll want to check the page setup. This manages the actual paper dimensions your document uses. Go to the File menu at the top left and choose Page Setup. A window will open with options for paper size and other page settings. Here you can restore the document to a standard paper size. In many regions, the default is letter, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. In many other regions, the default is A4, which is 210 by 297 millimeters. Select the default paper size that matches your location or your usual printing needs. This ensures that margins, line breaks, and the overall layout behave as expected on a typical page. After selecting the default paper size, confirm your choice to apply it to the document. If you were viewing at an unusual zoom before, you might still want to make sure you're at 100% so what you see matches the actual page layout. To recap, there are two ways to resize Google Docs back to normal. Use the zoom control to return your view to 100% for a true-to-life on-screen look. Then, if needed, open File and Page Setup to select the default paper size, such as letter or A4, so your document prints and exports correctly. With these two quick checks, your document should look and behave exactly the way you expect.